After building in Zimbabwe, coming back home changed the way we see everything. Stepping back into the rhythm of everyday life, you begin to reflect on your choices, on your lifestyle, on the cost of simple living. In Johannesburg, South Africa, the cost of feeding a family of 4 can reach between 10,000 rands and 15,000 rands a month. That's roughly $500 to $800. The average salary for formally employed sits at around 15,000 to 20,000 rands a month. This is according to Google, but the reality is many people earn far less than that, especially in lower skilled jobs. And the prices, they don't wait. They rise almost every week, while salaries barely move. If anything, maybe a 3% increase if you're lucky. From school fees to fuel, rates, water, electricity, and rising interest costs, everything keeps going up. So you start to think differently, because in a small backyard there's something growing, not just food, but security. Sometimes it's the simplest things, like stepping into the garden and picking what you need for a meal. Beans, fresh from the vine, onions, tomatoes, eggs, even the chicken. A meal that didn't come from a store, but from the backyard. And in moments like this, you realize it's not just about saving money. It's about knowing where your food comes from and what you are feeding your family. Simple ingredients, but full of value. From vegetables to meat, chickens, and even rabbits. These small efforts can reduce grocery costs by almost 50%. Raising chickens for meat takes just 6 to 8 weeks. And for a family of 4, around 100 chickens can carry you through the year. Not completely, but enough to make a difference. And when the harvest is done, it doesn't end there. Some of it goes right back into the soil. Seeds saved, planted again. A cycle that continues season after season. Even what's left behind still has a purpose. The plants, the pods, they go back into feeding the animals. Nothing wasted. Just a system that works together. Because the reality is, living in South Africa today is expensive. For many families, one income is no longer enough. Both partners work, And still, a side hustle becomes necessary just to keep up. Because whether it's in Zimbabwe, here in South Africa, or anywhere else in the world, right now the cost of living is rising and people are being forced to think differently. But in the middle of it all, there is gratitude. Even a small harvest can mean everything, because tonight's meal is already growing in the garden. After a long day at work, dinner doesn't have to be complicated. Most of what's on the plate was already prepared. Chicken cooked in batches and reheated when needed, saving time, saving money. And the only thing bought today was pasta. In just a few minutes, dinner is served. A simple meal, but a powerful one, because it feeds a family at a lower cost, while still giving them what truly matters: quality food and a balanced life. Whether it's in Zimbabwe or here in Johannesburg, the goal is the same: to build a life that works for us.